explanation. Equivalent fractions. If one bhakri is divided equally between two people, each one will get half a bhakri. The fraction half is written as half. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. One bhakri was divided into 4 equal parts. 2 of the parts were given away. This is shown as 2 upon 4. Here 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. This 2 means that half a bhakri was given. 6 equal parts were made of one melon. They were shared equally by 2 people. It means that the part that each one got was 3 upon 6. Each one actually got half the melon. Thus, 3 upon 6 also shows the fraction 1/2. In the 3 examples above, the fraction half has been shown by 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 respectively. It means that the value of all 3 fractions is the same. This is the written as 1/2 equals to 2/4 equals to 3/6. Such fractions of equal value are called equivalent fractions. Obtaining equivalent fractions. 2 of the 5 equal parts in the figure are colored. The colored part is 2/5 of the whole figure. When 2 lines are drawn across the same figure, it gets divided into 15 equal parts. So, now the fraction that shows the colored part is 6/15. However, the colored part has not changed. Therefore, we say that 2/5 equals to 6/15. In 2 equivalent fractions, the numerator of one fraction is as many times the numerator of other as the denominator of one is of the denominator of the other. When the numerator and denominator of fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number, we get a fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. If the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, then the fraction we get on dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. The numerator and denominator of the fraction 6/15 can be divided by 3. On doing this division, we get the fraction 2/5. It means that 6/15 is equals to 2/5. Example 1. Find a fraction with denominator 30 which is equivalent to 5/6 is equals to dash by 30. We must find the right number for the box. Here, 5 times the denominator 6 is 30. What is the 5 times the numerator 5? 5/6 is equals to 5 into 5 by 6 into 5 equals to 25/30. Hence, the fraction 25/30 with denominator 30 is equivalent to 5/6. Example 2. Find a fraction equivalent to 15/40 but with denominator 8. 15/40 is equals to dash by 8. We must find the number for the box. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So, we will get the number for the box by dividing 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Therefore, 15/40 is equals to 3/8. Thus, the fraction 3/8 is equivalent to the fraction 15/40. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions such as 1/7, 4/7, 6/7. 7 whose denominators are equal are called like fractions. Fractions such as 1 by 3, 4 by 8, 9 by 11, here 11 which have different denominators are called unlike fractions.